Yes, consider this program where we are asked to implement a function in order to compute the cumulative product. Okay, so where a list of numbers are considered, you have to compute the cumulative product of these numbers. Okay, so let's solve this. First, we will consider a list of numbers, like list 1 is equal to, okay, I'm considering numbers like 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9. Okay, these are my list of numbers. Now I'm going to basically pass this list 1 as parameter to the function where I'm computing this product. Okay, so the function is find product function by passing list 1 as parameter. Okay, so let us define this function here, find product function, where I'm taking list 1 as parameter. Okay, now p is equal to 1. Initially, for computing the product, I'm taking p is equal to 1 for I in list 1. Okay, I'm iterating through each and every element inside the list 1. So we have to compute the product, right? P is equal to p into I. Okay, then we can start printing this value. Okay, so that is we want cumulative product, right? So that is why we have to display in each iteration what is the cumulative product. Okay, isn't it? And that is fine. So like this, let's run this code and see the result. Okay, in the very first iteration it is 1. In the next iteration it is 1 into 3 is 3. In the next iteration it is 1 into 3 into 5, which is 15. In the next iteration it will be 1 into 3 into 5 into 7, which is 105. In the last iteration you can see 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 9, which is 945. So this will demonstrate how in each iteration this cumulative product is computed and displayed. Okay.